we quite a bit spent time. We finished the top one, grand finals. We polishing. We made an incredible job. So framework, chrome cover, then finals after cemented without any composite top of that, only ceramic. Beautiful. This one, there's 6 implants. Now is resetting the final Titan 7-star cases after we wax try, and then we notify here is a problem and sticking out. So either so they can fill in the composite after we finish it, or we can do with a slip this. Then we can make the 5 implant. I think that was much suitable. We decrease quite a bit the facial and lingual contours, make really slim and thin, and then make it specifically a size from the dentures, but much better than dentures, because I saw the photo, so we more minimize it compared to denture. Denture is a little bit bulky. And then underneath, yes, that one is what looked like Ponic, so we're going to add with the porcelain. Okay, so we're just waiting from the doctors regarding this case. Now it's, after that we can ready to mill with the chrome cover. That one is the finals. We just design it, minimize it, make the good bend, the good lingual support, retention. Alright, so 4 units, singles, 4 units, we're going to finish. I just came out from the Atrion D5, about 6 implant cases, which is Titan 7-star. This is another one. It looks like the same, but it's totally different cases. So I'm going to cut it. I'm trying to fit it and then modify, and then opaque with the MC porcelain, which is from GC America. This is the final metal try-in. So in order to make the aesthetics, you can trim just slightly a little bit tissue, and then it's a little bit open. We're going to add with the porcelain underneath. I think that's the good idea. So I grind more underneath. Okay. Like that. Alright, that was anyway exceptional. Whew. It's really thin, right? Zirconia cannot do this. This is a Titan 7-star case though. Case after it's all grinded, this sprue, the anterior 6 singles and posterior 4 unit for better retention. This is coloring liquid, apply, and then now we're going to bake probably 7 hours. Now we get the good coloring. This is mono, as you can see, and the other one's layer. After 11 hours, the bag exactly what I want to be. Okay. So then you can try to fit it. See, fit is great. Other side. Right. Okay. There's a one by one. See the central and another central. K9. The laterals. K9. This is K9. So as you can see, the hour all is a little bit tight into proximal contact. As we can trim it a little bit. Sorry, this one's supposed to be here. Nope. Alright, little tight. Okay. Anyway, this is a monolithic. Individually, I can explain. You saw is our problem. Whenever we send it out to X-Try in, was too boxy, and we're trying to bring it in as much as possible compared to this. To me, it's really boxy. So what we did, it's maybe smaller here, a little bit more down. The size is better, K9 is a little bit, midline is a little bit tilted. So this was what looked like. I would like to show you guys what is chrome cobalt. Many people questioning about what is this compared to titanium. Titanium, if I'm using titanium, is much lighter than this. However, I have to using titanium porcelain, or if I'm using titanium framework, I have to using composite material such as Gradia. The reason I'm using the chrome cobalt, this is metal ceramic, so I make all ceramic without any problem. Titanium porcelain is very sensitive, so I see the little cracking here and there, because I don't like it. Especially this case, think about it, it's huge, as the doctor had limited. And then there's bone loss, and there's so many issues, whatever. So this is try-in. If I make the zirconia hypothetically, then I have to make really thick, which is patients not tolerate, especially a sensitive person. So I choose this frame design with a chrome cover, opaque top of that, and then we apply with the porcelain, just detailed porcelain. You know what I mean? So this is the porcelain, it's not composite. Alright, as thin as possible, the lingual portion every area. Then we make top of that one by one the individual single crown restorations. You saw this my previous video. We make the good design about the mono all the way incision. Most likely chipping is incision edge when patient bite or protruding. So this is this record. So two teeth. We're going to cement this, make one piece. So that make doctors make it very easy job. See, as you can see, it's almost we close everything after cementing. We don't have to put anything for the composite. If I do poor work for porcelain, then I have to using the composite and the fillet. But you can see it is almost perfect. Right, the 4 unit, and then finger. So here's the middle. So doctor have to put some composite top of that. Okay, that was limited. And anyway, we're saving this old implant. Right, we're saving. Here, the doctor, we're going to put the composite here. Right, this is 6 unit. We're going to cement soon. This is what it look like. That's why it's piece of art case. And also, we made a 4 unit the back because for the strength. Right, it's all mono. And the other side is all mono together. What cement I've been using, the GC A1 color, depends on what color it is. Depends on how much I value upgraded, A1 or bleaching or white color. Sometimes I'm using translucency, but translucency is a little tricky. But this case is okay, we already opaque underneath. Anyway, the door set, I'm going to show you after cemented. Alright. Alright, so now it's starting with the 7-star cases. 6 individual crown, and then we cemented the cases over the top. Alright, just like that. The top. Oh, here's a lateral. Put it in there. Okay. Then the other one, K9 gathers. Okay. Then the last K9 we already cemented with the back tooth. Right now, this is important. Check the bite.
Yes.
Okay. Let's get rid of the cement before setting. Thing that we can do the light curing too after this. Okay, we have to using the micro brush. So using the micro brush between the cheese. Yep. We don't have to put in anything composite down there. So total is ceramic and cement. Too. Alright, then I would like you after this clean up. This just look like the frame design previous, which is the chrome cover. The great illustrations is our craftsmanship for ceramic, everything ceramic. Okay, so there's no composite. So we apply with a chrome cover just like metal ceramic treated from the initial porcelain from GC America, and there's the one, the zirconia fabricated using the BND zirconia block. I'm going to polish here. And this is a finers, it's great. And then also we give them is a good night guard so they can wear it.